Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. Recently, I found a great solution in bolt lock. Now, bolt stands for breakthrough one key lock technology, allowing me to use one key for all my locks. Today, we're going to feature our coupler pin lock and our off-vehicle coupler lock. Let's see how it goes together, our initial impressions of its quality and fit. We'll see you there. Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. Today we're going to take a look at bolt locks, off-vehicle coupler lock, and the coupler pin lock. We'll go ahead and unbox this right here, get it assembled, and we'll go ahead and rekey this to my vehicle key, which is way cool, and everything will lock and unlock using my truck key. I love it. Well, let's go ahead and get this assembled. Okay, so here are all the parts taken out of the box for the off-vehicle coupler lock. The first thing we need to do is rekey this to my vehicle key. So let's get that done. I'll show you how that's done. If you open the tab on the end, you're gonna see a little tab right here that covers it and a little warning. Don't take this off until you're ready to key, and only use the key around it that you're going to use ongoing. So in that case, what we have right here is my vehicle key. We're going to go ahead and peel that off, and it peels off fairly easily. There we go. And then there's a plug in there that's covering it. We're going to pull that off. Okay, now you can see the lock right here in, exposed. We're going to take this, put this in. We're going to turn it all the way to the right until it stops. I'm going to pull the key back out. Now let's see if it works. There it is. It's now keyed to that key. And as you can see here, all the components, Bolt also provides a simple planogram, very simple. There's not much to it, and it shows the rekeying that we just showed you. Everything is right there. So what we need to do now is choose which of these adapters fit the trailer ball that this will be used with. And that happens to be this one right here. So what we're going to need to do, very simple installation. We're just going to put this up here. We're going to put this down in here, and then, hold on, I forgot my wrench. Let me go get my wrench, and we'll get that taken care of. How you doing there, girl? How you doing? If I had feed in my hand, she would definitely. Okay, so now we got my wrench. This happens to be a 3/4 inch wrench here. We'll go ahead and I'm just gonna finger tighten this. Very simple installation. Okay. You don't need to over tighten. That's simply gonna grip there. Now, this is gonna go over like this. This is gonna go through and pin on the other side and lock over the top where the coupler comes through like this, not allowing the lever to come up. Very simple installation. So let's go ahead and set all this aside right here. Let's go ahead and rekey the pin part as well, and then we'll go install it on the trailer. Okay, now we have the coupler pin lock, and the compelling difference of this lock system is I'm gonna rekey this to the same vehicle key, my Ford key, that's gonna allow me to have several locks around here, all using this key. That's fantastic. Let's go ahead and get this open and rekeyed. Okay, so we've got now the clamshell. This is the liner that goes in it. And right here, it just gives you some directions to use. One of the things it calls out right away is this fits couplers from 1/2 inch to 3/8 inch diameter. So that pin will go through and it's just fine. Now, what we need to do right away is rekey this. And as you can see, it has a tab over it. And let's go ahead and peel that off. And when we do, there you can see that there. Don't use any other key other than the one you plan to key everything with. So we're gonna go ahead and take our key right here, put it in, rotate to the right until it goes all the way around, stops, come back, and take the key. And it works. See there? I can do that, and it is locked. Okay, so now we've got that ready to be installed out in the trailer. Let's see how it all comes together and our initial impressions of the quality and the heftiness of these locks. Let's do it. I wish we could catch that peacock in the background. That'd be cool. Oh, here he is right there. See him? Hi, buddy. How you doing? How you doing, bud? Just a little surprise visitor that showed up around our place and has been here for 3 or 4 days, roosting on the top of our house. Woohoo! All right, so we have the assembled unit here. What we're gonna do is go ahead and pull back the latch like this, insert this up in there, and then lower it, and of course it's hanging onto it. Okay, let's put in the hoop that goes to the top that secures this down so it can't be open. Gonna bring that up, drop this through, put that over the top. I'm gonna put the pin in. We're just using the pin here. Right through there. And then we're gonna line it up. Right like that. Now that can't come up. And we'll go ahead and put the lock on here. And notice on the lock, this has a really nice spring return, see there? So you need to turn it to the open side, put the lock on, pull the key, let's put the tab. That is locked, this can't come up now. All right, let's go ahead and put this pin lock in too for double security. Again, we have the same key, because we keyed that earlier. We're gonna go ahead and open that up. I'm gonna slide that through there. So now we've got a double security, and we'll go ahead and put the side lock on. Pull our key, and look at that. So there's a double set right here that's holding this latch pin. This is on this, so this can't come up. The fit and finish on this is very nice. Nice paint job, very solid. Love the spring return on this. We think this is gonna serve us really well. We'll come back in a year from now and let you know how it's held up, and we'll go from there. If you like what you saw here, then check out this other episode where we looked at a larger line of the bolt lock products. You can see other products that can all be keyed the same, and so far we're very impressed with them. Check it out. Until the next time, this is Dirt Farmer Jay from dirtfarmerjay.com, enjoying a secure trailer.